Oh hey, what's up everyone? Well, today we're still in Arizona. I know, it's the summertime, we're still in Arizona. My hair looks crazy. What else is new? I guarantee we've got some really cool new places we're going this summer, but until we leave Arizona in about a month, right now we've got an opportunity and we're gonna take it to go to one of the very first camp spots that I ever camped solo at, probably 7 years ago or so. And just the thought of solo camping, it felt weird. It kind of felt like, am I a loser because I don't have any friends to go camp with? But anyways, I've changed a lot being full-time on the road the last 5 years. Also in this video, we're gonna be running everything off our new Deeno X1500 power station, giving that a good torture test. Look at that home on wheels. That's an oversized load, man. So's that one. And the beautiful Four Peaks of Arizona. Coach, you look super comfy on your Hest Outdoors dog bed. Don't you just love it? This poor desert's been all burned up again by somebody. This was where the bushfire was years ago, where we almost got stuck. Well, literally, we did have the Jeep stuck miles from where the fire was. Oh my gosh, it came right here on the highway. Look, you can see all the red from the planes that dropped the fire retardant stuff. Holy cow. I love it. It's like high desert down here, and then as you get further up the mountain, it turns to more foresty spots. But there was actually a fire that came through here, so I'm wondering how it's gonna look. I think one of our camp spots might be burned up, and the other one I think is still alive. So let's check it out, see what it brings here. Look how beautiful those mountains are, Codes. Aren't those nice? Oh yeah. You remember these mountains, Codes? It's been a while. I'm stoked to have my new Deeno portable power station because I got a lot of stuff to charge. My drone batteries are all dead. My computer, I got to plug in my little electric zip oven to reheat some jambalaya that my mom made. No way. So this is the camp spot. Look, this tree's fresh, hasn't been burned. Those trees have. This fire, this last fire, look at it. That tree's been burned, this tree hasn't. Camp is behind me. This fire came right up to this camp and stopped. All right, Codes, this is our spot. Right here is where the fire came to. I just can't believe it, honestly. And then there's a beautiful view out here. All right, well, let's get camp set up and charge some stuff. We got a lot of stuff to charge. Seems to be one of the things I plan my life around most on the road is picking up packages. Oh, that's a fancy bag. Cases for the solar charger, the cigarette lighter charger, and it's got an AC charger as well. Oh wow, that's a cool handle. Look at that. Those handles pop away so they don't take up space. That's cool. Inside of here is a lithium iron phosphate battery, which they claim will run up to 3,500 charge cycles, which is about 7 times longer than traditional batteries, and it's a lot more lightweight. 3,500 cycles or 10 years of use every single day, which is why it comes with a 5-year warranty, which is longer than really anything that I've heard as far as power stations in the industry. Hold it down and turn it on. Let's go plug some stuff into this thing and see how we can give her a little torture test here, eh, bud? First, let's prepare the most important thing, lunch. Jambalaya. So I'll link this below. This is the Hot Logic Mini electric zip oven. It's really handy. It doesn't draw much power. It takes a while to cook and heat things. And of course I'll link the Deeno X1500 power station below as well. All right, look at that. Fits right up there. So first of all, we've got our Starlink. We've also got our Rugged Radio's special Nitto edition GMRS radio. All right, and of course our lunch. I don't know why I'm plugging this in last, but here we go. We've got our Nitto JBL speaker that we'll plug in over here. It's one of the 18-watt USBs. Also got 100-watt USB-Cs over here that we'll plug our new HomeFi hotspot into. This little guy. And of course turn our AC on and off. And that will get that going. You heard the battery, or the you heard the fan kick on there. And then our Hot Logic Mini's heating up. So yeah, so far we're not pulling that much wattage here. So Starlink just kicked on. Looks like we're pulling 113 watts. Not bad at all. We can run for 6 hours, it says. Charging up our radio, heating our lunch. Oh, and also, let's get our phone charging up there. Oh wait, we gotta turn that on. And then, look at that. Phone's charging with the case on. Wow, I love wireless chargers. Look at that. That is sweet, you guys. I just got my phone chilling on top. We got the radio charging up, the Starlink. We got my Hot Logic oven. We've got the Nitto speaker charging. We've got our other hotspot charging as well. 2 forms of internet powered right now. Yeah. Just killer. The inverter that's running the AC plugs is a 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter, which is the most efficient kind of inverter. Plus, it'll do 3000 watts peak power. Alrighty, well, let's let that stuff charge, my lunch cook, and let's go over here and set up a hammock. It's a beautiful, beautiful area over here with this view. Let me show you first where we're gonna set up. Whoa, we got the trees coming. But yeah, check it out. So again, the fire came right over here, like I showed you guys in the beginning, right up to here. You know what I was thinking too? The firefighters probably came to this spot, and because this is like one of the first accesses, well, this way, and they probably fought it from here and stopped it right here. You can see some trees were cut, you know, that had been charred and burned up. The wind comes whipping through this spot though. Look at this view. Pretty incredible, eh? So this trail actually goes all the way down and around and drops down that side of the mountain and hooks back up with the highway that way. I've done it before years ago. I'm gonna set up a hammock, I think, right in between here, or maybe right in between there. Or maybe right in between there. I think I'll set it up right here. Oh, Fife's calling. What's up, Fife? What's up, man? Literally, the trees right on the edge are burned.
No way. Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty rad. I got a feeling my jambalaya's done. And I'm hungry. All right, let's eat it, eh? Hey, Coach, how you doing, bubs? Been watching. All right, checking in. 66% still. That's awesome. And yeah, we've got our Starlink off because we didn't need it on. We're just chilling. So let's see if our jambalaya is all heated up. Yummy looking. It's Mom for the jambalaya. It's bomb. My wheels and tires look huge from this shot. Now that my lunch is done, I can charge my drone battery. Remove all this, you'll see there's actually a light on the back. Wow, that's a bright light. Oh, it's got the SOS function. I love it. That's becoming kind of an industry standard, it seems like. But that's the soft. This camera's tripping with it, but yeah, that's really bright. I dig the light. Dang, check this stump out. If I had a little wood stove in my truck, I'd be stoked. But look at this little puzzle. Kind of neat, huh? Bringing nature back to its natural state. All right, well, I think that's going to be a wrap for this video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Check the description for links to the Deeno GT power station we used, as well as other items that were used in this video. Comment, let me know what you think, smack the like, but really the question is, are you down to mob?